We're all set. They're off and running. Expecting Roses broke on top to take a short lead. Boaz right there pressing and pokes those white blinkers in front. Grease Monkey 3 wide and third. Esperamos holds that rail spot and punches up the inside under Sean Bridgman. A four-way scramble for that early lead. A big gap of 5 back to Holy High Viking. Yaman is next with Manitou and Capote's Flame on the outside. Around the far turn they go. 21-3. A quick and contested first quarter. Grease Monkey in front by a head. Esperamos saving every inch of ground under Bridgman. Boaz back into third and under pressure. And Expecting Roses fourth by 2.5. Manitou and Burrell, they kick it into gear, and Yaman on the inside and the stretch drive. Grease Monkey off the turn in front by 2.5 now. Esperamos second. Boaz kicks again. Expecting Roses comes back on. Manitou next and Yaman up the inside. Final furlong. Grease Monkey has opened up by 5 now. Yaman will pick up the pieces for second, but no danger to Grease Monkey. Grease Monkey rolls on to win at 8-1 by 3. Yaman second. Expecting Roses third. Then Esperamos.